Welcome to Aquafloat. Aquafloat is an object buoyancy system that can be applied to any object. There's multiple objects that we provide, including ducts, inner tubes, and even rafts. Floatables can be set up in different ways, either with one point or with multiple points. Multiple points can provide more stabilization for larger objects, while single points are more performance and have the option to upright themselves when flipped. There is a performance cost for every floater point you have. However, the majority of the overhead is done by just the owner of the object. There are multiple ways for making objects move about while in the water. You can add randomized movement to floating objects, making them behave as if they were freely moving about a pool. Or you can designate areas of water to push floating objects in a direction, allowing for unique pool flows. We just released a new version that adds splashing to our float volumes. Objects and players now splash when entering the water. Splashes are dynamically created based on the mass and the velocity of the object entering the water, meaning the heavier and speedier the object, the louder and larger the splash. Splash particles and sounds can be controlled through our new settings menu, which you can have multiples of.
I'm in the pool. I'm in the floaties. Guys, it's really dark. Hey, hello? Did you guys leave?